So this is the breakfast that I've chosen. So it's got some beans and pulses which are being cooked in some sauce, some scrambled egg here, and some potato. It's two choices for juices. There's a mango and an orange. They did offer to make us some sausages, some chicken sausages which are halal, and also something else as well. I think maybe some turkey rashers or something. But I was happy with what was there anyway. Assalamu alaikum. We are on day 2 today in Cape Town, South Africa. So the plan today is to try and get some scooters, so that we can get around the town. So let's go. So we come to Dr. Scoot Doctor, the scootdoctor.com, and unfortunately it's closed as it's Good Friday. Though that most businesses will probably still be open, but unfortunately it's closed. So change of plan. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop instead. So order the Uber. Just gonna hang about and wait for that. So we've just come to Common Ground Cafe due to not being able to hire a scooter. Quite interesting. Very nice building with an absolute amazing view of Table Mountain. So yeah, coffee shop was closed. How you doing? You alright? You're right. Good. So the coffee shop was closed. Obviously it's Good Friday, so that's 2 places closed out of 2 so far. So just gonna go for a little walk now, see if we can actually find something which is actually open.
بين الرجا والخوف قلبي طائر، ومن اليقين النور بيض جوانحي، فوق السحاب يطير حرا مدركا نسمو كماله، للكون وجه آخر أحيا.
So we are trying the red espresso latte and cappuccino at the Dolce Cafe. So we've come to the Dolce Cafe in the Kenilworth Centre. That's one of the only few coffee shops that we actually managed to find open in Cape Town. It's Good Friday, so we've only got about an hour or so till the Jumma prayer, so we're just going to enjoy this coffee. wouldn't say busy, but not lively, believe me. Smashing it. Alhambra.
Around there. Go inside, you go around there.
Yeah.
There's a toilet.
Okay, thank you. شو موجود بفوقهم. Didn't expect it to be this packed over here. AH. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. So we come to pray Jumma in the Masjid Al Furqan. It's in the Lansdowne area of Cape Town. So what we noticed that it's such a large masjid, it's such a beautiful masjid as well. People had to pray outside as well because the masjid got so full. So many worshippers, alhamdulillah. Obviously there's many masjids in Cape Town, and Masjid Al Furqan is one of the largest ones. So we did want to pray Jumma here. It was such a nice feeling as well, such a nice Jumma prayer. As you can see, it's just a nice peaceful environment as well. There's a nice breeze. Obviously it's a hot day, but on Jumma they keep all the doors open. There's people praying out inside the car park as well. It's all accommodated for with mats being rolled out outside as well.
When I can't move on, when my friends have failed me, I call upon you. Allah, 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 Allah. You are my life. When I can't move on, when my strength has failed me, I call upon you. Allah, 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 Allah. You are my life. Okay. When I go away, Ya Rabbi, bring me back. I know I'm so dirty, let it rain upon me. Whispers in my ears, telling me I got strength to pull through life, and it's a lie. Let it rain upon me to wash away my sins of yesterday. Dirige me, and make me rely upon you. Cause in your words is where strength lies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I get